on the age lead side, oftentimes there's not the level of intensity and pressure, but there are some negative feedback loops in that as well. And so that's why, again, you'll hear me over and over again say system, system, system. You got to have a CRM that does some automation for you, that takes care of some of this nurturing and allows you to kind of focus on the actual pipeline that you're working on and let some of this stuff happen, and let that consumer sort of come back to you using some of this automation, because really the negative feedback loop on age leads often is because people are working them wrong, right? So they're doing them just like a real-time lead, and they're taking the same approach. They're putting them in a call list. They're dialing through them. No one's answering the phone. No one's responding to their email immediately. And so they become demotivated because they're like, oh, nobody's paying attention here. And the truth is, really, they kind of are, and you don't need to actually dial them physically that much. You can let the email do some work. You let text message campaigns do some work. You can just let the voicemail drop sort of make you more efficient. And so just kind of mentally put yourself in there and let the consumer come back to you. But yeah, you take several of those pressure points like off the salesperson when you use age leads.